Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, don't mean to state the obvious, but very, very nice bounce. Came down here, found some support right at that green line at 1240, which I talked about previously, and then showed great strength and got the nice bounce to the upside, which now leads to the valid question going into Friday of, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Or in other words, is there any sort of genuine power behind this move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this 1280 mark, which also needs to be updated first. And this update is based on a very foundational rule in charting, stating when levels of support are broken, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this situation. Why so? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 1280. If the price were to go down to that level and then just continue on down, what would that be doing? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, let's say the price came down here, behaved in this manner, and then began to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and in this situation, quote-unquote, progress being defined as $12.80. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, next key overarching level to keep a close eye on is going to be that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200-period moving average. And the current value of that right now is right up there around $13.55. But moral of the story here is that the price made a very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question going forward of can the price build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.